Hi friends, welcome back to another exciting session of Green Trades. Today we are going to analyze few more stocks which has really performed well and how the trades were taken, the analysis on the same, and in case if you want to enter the fresh trades, what are the good levels to enter and how to take the maximum benefit out of the moves that markets are currently giving. Before starting, two things guys. The analysis that we discuss are in depth and it will take some time to complete the entire explanation. So don't skip the video, watch the entire video once you have the time, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so that you get all the important information right at a go. Secondly, just a small risk disclaimer. Trading involves high amount of risk and there are high chances of you losing your entire capital if risk management is not properly executed. Okay, so to go ahead with the first thing guys, in my previous video, one of our subscribers, Mr. Manoj Talaulikar, had requested us to analyze the Geojit trade, the Geojit stock rather. So we'll be doing the analysis first, and then we would go with the latest stocks that we have in our filters. So first, to start with, this is a chart of Geojit Financials. Okay, if you see here, I've already drawn the support and resistance levels for this particular stock, and if you have analyzed the stock, just a second. If you have analyzed the stock guys, the most important thing that the stock had done was it had broken this trend line, gave an aggressive move and then started correcting backwards. Whereas there was a support level, even if you can consider it in this way, this can be a support level, okay, a dynamic support rather, or a triangular channel that we can see. There were multiple levels of support that the market had tried, and then later on it was not able to sustain today. So first and foremost, let us highlight at what levels market acted as a support. If you see, there were multiple support levels which the market was creating. On the same side, if you see, the sellers were also getting aggressive, but the aggression in sellers was much more higher as compared to buyers. तो यहाँ पर आप अगर देखोगे, buyers tried to aggressively push the prices up, but not at very high levels where the aggression was seen. But अगर आप seller देखोगे, seller had started at pretty high price, but they tried to dominate and started selling at lower levels also, which meant there was a higher aggression in the seller's perspective. That indirectly meant that there were high chances of market correcting on the downside, because the pending orders or the big players orders that were pending here got filled in with no orders left. Now if you see, the market had given the closing yesterday and there was a follow-up today. So to be very frank, I would not recommend somebody to enter the trade now, because there are high chances of market falling on the downside. But at the same time, once this level of 49 is broken, you can consider that there is a shift in the trend and go with a small stop loss. The second thing is guys, if somebody is holding the position, I would recommend them to don't directly exit, but wait for markets to retrace back at 46-47 levels and then square off your positions, because there are high chances that this stock may go up, because this support levels may turn out into a resistance level, because there would be many people who are buyers who would have got trapped in this move and will try to exit their position almost at break even. So here it may act as a resistance level guys. So do keep in mind, if you are holding this position, try to exit at minimal loss possible at 46-47 levels, wherein you can again see a strong downward momentum. Okay, So to start with our analysis, guys, the first stock that we have in the radar was Amara Raja Batteries. If somebody knows about how our technical analysis approach is, the first thing is we wait for confirmations, and if you see, this was the trend line. It broke with the gap down. Market has given the closing. Once this closing was confirmed, we enter the trade, and this trade has given us a really good profit, guys. Now don't try to jump in this trade because the move is already half the way. Okay, the levels that we were expecting to go was below 645 levels. So we have entered when the market Amara Raja stock was below 645 with a small stop loss here, and we are trying or driving for the target of 550 odd levels because this is one psychological level of 550. 600 से थोड़ा आपको reversal दिखेगा, but it may not sustain because the high chances are it may come back to the resistance level. So if you see, this is a previous resistance level. तो यहाँ पर जो sellers trap हुए हैं, when this move came, will try to liquidate their position somewhere on this levels so that they almost exit their positions at break even. So ये seller जो trap हुए हैं यहाँ पर, once this move came, will automatically start turning out to be buyers here. So you need to know the psychological shift in the approach of this big player who had pushed the price down. तो ये level हम लोग expect कर सकते हैं कि एक aggressive move upside में दे सकता है from this point. So be cautious and start trailing your stop losses if y'all are already in this trade. But if you're planning to go in this trade after looking at our video, please do not jump at this point because it's already given a big rally and there are high chances of it retracing. If it retraces back onto these levels, yes, you can short and go with the risk management and then drive for the targets on the downside. Okay, so this was one of the analysis. The second analysis was in Apollo Tyres, wherein this was the trend line that we had. Okay, I'll start my analysis from zero so that you get an idea. Okay, we were going on this resistance trend line from here, which was again acting as a small support. Okay, so we have entered at this candle below at 313 and we are in the trade. So the risk to reward or the target that we were driving for, we have entered at this point, a small stop loss at the single day previous day high candle. तो हमारा risk बहुत छोटा हो जाता है and we are driving for a really big targets. Okay, so always try to keep your risk small as possible, guys, and we are trying or planning to drive for the target at somewhat this levels because this was the previous support level from where market is shifted. Somebody who is using demand and supply concepts will go at these levels for the targets. So you can plan at this levels or somewhere at this levels. तो यहाँ पर अगर ये levels पे market आता है, even if you are not keeping your stop losses here, but you have a trailing stop loss concept, it will trigger you out somewhere on the reversal. That is fine. But the most important thing is you would take something home from the market. That is most important. Okay, so now our entry got triggered at 313 levels. Our stop loss was here. We are driving at this target for level 1, this target for level 2. तो अगर आप risk to reward के हिसाब से देखोगे, it gives a beautiful trade. Okay, somebody who trades into options also could have bought put and would have really made money today. Okay, so it gives 1:2.8, as in 1:3 risk to reward is on for this trade, guys. Okay, the second thing is you can also go for a trade at this price, but your risk would be a little bit on the higher side. Okay, so this is in Apollo Tyres. The next trade that we have is in Oro Pharma. Okay, in Oro Pharma we have entered when market had broken this trend line. If you see, sorry, at this level, guys. So when this trend line was broken, we entered, okay, at 526, 527 level with a stop loss out here, okay. So Oro Pharma has turned out to be a really good trade for us. We were in the trade somewhere at 520 odd levels, still driving for the targets in Oro Pharma, okay. So if somebody has missed on this rally, do not jump here, okay. That's the most important thing. And in this trade, my stop loss was at this levels, okay. So यहाँ पर एक stop loss था and this was the risk, a small risk you can say, to drive for the targets on the downside. अभी यहाँ पर अगर आप देखोगे, the market is entirely giving a fresh downward levels, so we do not know from what levels market would reverse. That is why your trailing stop loss will come into the picture. So basically अगर आप एक trend trader हो, then you can always go for either some moving average as a stop loss or moving average crossover as a stop loss, 20 or 50, or you can go with previous swing highs, which I mostly follow. Previous swing high would always be my stop loss, so that you go on taking the maximum benefit of the rally in your favor. So that was in Oro Pharma, guys. Axis Bank was one of the really good trades that we had, and I'm still holding the trade. Axis Bank में यहाँ पर ये level पे एक breakout दिया था. If you see, there was a constant support on the upside. Market broke 927 level. We entered. Closing confirm हुआ था that the trend is broken. Just below that previous day's low, wherein the buyers had aggressively come in trying to push the price. Once that level was out, we entered, we shorted. Our stop loss was at this level, the same candle. The entry was here, and we are still driving the trade or trailing our profits. The first target that we are expecting is, can you see the gap up? The gap up will always act as a support or a resistance. So this is our first target level, because market will try to come and fill this gap, which it has already done and then pushed up, if you see. Okay, I'll just mark and show you. But we will try, as a cautious trader, we will try to keep the same target. अगर आप देखोगे, market ने gap up दिया, market came down to fill the gap and then pushed itself back up. So basically somebody would have got trapped as a seller, exited their positions, and then market started moving in the upside. So we will be keeping the target at 854 level, which is the first target. The second target would be at 830 levels. Okay, and just to add on, guys, the targets that we are setting is entirely with our approach. Don't expect market to always respect your targets and go. Okay, market is supreme. If it wants to reverse from somewhere in 880 levels, yes, you need to respect that market has reversed from here. Your trailing stop loss would be the key in that scenario, guys. Okay, so अगर आप एक बार प्रॉफिट में गए और उसके बाद अगर आपका ट्रेड लूजिंग ट्रेड में कन्वर्ट होता है, then it is not market's mistake, it is your mistake. Okay, and once you understand that, that is going to be a game changer for you. Okay, the initial stop loss once is not hit and market is in your favor, it is your sole responsibility to keep the profits intact and not let the winning trade turn into a losing one. Okay, that's gonna be the biggest disaster as a trader in your life, guys. I've done that. That's the reason I'm telling you. Since that time, I have not let my winners turn into losses. I've saved major chunk of my capital from getting lost. Okay, so that becomes very important. Keep a note of it and follow that rigorously. ठीक है, आपको let's say you are in profit of 10,000, market reverses, you are in a profit of let's say 4,000. Once it is reversed, take it home. Don't expect that thinking, or don't get disappointed thinking that you have lost that 6,000 and thinking it will go in your favor again. No, let's recover that from some other trade. But what market is giving you at the moment, take it home and respect it and be happy that you have taken that 4K home. Okay, so that matters, guys. That approach will keep you happy. Whatever comes in your account is yours. whatever is open in the trade is the notional profit or loss. Okay, that is not yours. Okay, so remember that. And the second most important is trail your profits wisely. Okay, that's the key, guys. The next stock that is in my radar is Bata. If you see Bata is creating a downward formation at the moment. But if you are a good retracement trader or you are good at trading against the trend, even though the major trend is on the downside, there are high chances of sellers stopping their selling orders, because nobody will like to sell at lows. Everybody likes to sell at rise. Okay, so seller would start stopping or slowing down their selling pressure, and market may do something like this. And at this levels of 1744, you can see another selling pressure on the downside. But for now in Bata, the entry is not yet triggered. I'm just showing you the analysis, how the analysis are done and what is the logic behind analysis. So the market is correcting on the downside, the trend is down. This is a counter trend trade that I'm talking about. If you are not comfortable, you wait for market to retrace on the upside and then take a trade. Iska dedicated video once the market is on the upside, I'll definitely come with. But as of now in Bata, there is no direct trade that is available. But as soon as the trade is triggered or the entry levels are triggered, I'll definitely come into that. Okay. The next trade is Cummins India. Okay. This was the trade that I was explaining to another student of mine. Okay. Wherein we had entered at this point, and it was today itself. जहाँ पर we had entered at somewhere around 1416 levels when there was a breakout. This was our risk. This was a previous day candle. उसके थोड़ा सा ऊपर मेरा stop loss था. And we are going for or trying to drive for the support which is nearest to the market. यहाँ पर आप अगर देखोगे in this analysis, there was a major resistance level out here which the market has broken and started coming down. Okay, I'll just delete this so that you get a clarity. Okay, so at this point, if you see, guys, I'll just delete this as well. So यहाँ पर pure rejection levels from where market was rejecting itself on this levels. Here also the same level post breakout started turning out to be a support level. At this point, जो resistance work कर रहा था, it has started to turn out into support. But as soon as we come to know that this support is getting broken, the market has tendency to shoot on the downside in a very aggressive way, so that it can trap the buyers who are there waiting with their buy orders at the support level. Okay, तो यहाँ पर buyers को trap किया, जिनका stop loss था उनका hit होने के बाद the stop loss entry itself confirms that you are a seller there, positions are closed and the market started shooting down. तो यहाँ पर सब stop losses trigger हुए हैं. You can expect a small move on the downside again. If not, what market will do is, from here market may come down and then test this level, because ये level फिर से resistance का काम करने की very high probability है. So once the market is in this levels of 1422, I'm telling this to somebody who is not in this trade. Okay, many of my viewers who are my students are already in this trade. But if somebody is not in the trade, don't jump. Okay, let's wait for market to retrace. The existing position holders will play to add on their positions at this levels. Okay, that's a different part altogether. But once the market is here, you can expect the targets of 1318 in Cummins India. For now, we are already in the trade, guys. So from here, we will try to drive for the target of 1315 and stop loss at 1476 odd levels. Okay, so the risk to reward that we are going in this trade is somewhere around 3.74. So just a second, we entered here. So it is 1:1.5. Okay, 1:1.5 is also good, guys, as long as it's more than what you are actually risking, the risk to reward is always good. Okay, some of y'all may be trading into options, some of y'all may be trading into direct stocks, some may be into futures. So if you are trading in futures, always go with option strategies. With futures, naked buying of options is risky if you don't know what you are doing. I trade direct options buying, but there is a logic to it. There is a reason where I am buying, what levels I am buying it, why I am buying, and what is the risk involved in the trade. Everything is figured out first, and then I jump into the trade. Before coming out of the trade or before entering the trade, I know what my risk on the trade is. And if I'm not comfortable with the risk, I'm not entering the trade, guys. So if you ask me, rather than this, if my risk to reward was this, if you see here, it is less than 1. So is it a wise decision for me to take the trade? Definitely not. Okay, even though yes, इसके chances बहुत high है, but जब मैं ₹1 से कम profit करूँगा and I'm risking ₹1, that makes absolutely no sense to take the trades. Let it have very high probability, guys. No worries. But make sure that your risk to reward is always on a positive side. Okay, that's the most important thing. Coming to Federal Bank, this was one of the beautiful trades again. अगर यहाँ पर देखोगे, we had waited for prices to break this levels. Okay, this acted as support levels multiple number of times. Okay, and now you know once support is broken, okay, what it acts to be. Okay, what theoretical concepts may I will not go in, but once this is broken, it has high chances of moving back and then giving a downside move. Okay, so in Federal Bank, you can expect the market to fall from 130 odd levels, and I am going for a target of 110, which is the previous support level जहाँ से market ने एक upside move और swing दिया था. Okay, so our risk will be or our stop loss will be at 137 or slightly above 138 levels, and we are driving for 110 levels. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर risk to reward देखोगे shorting में, this is also turning out to be a really good risk to reward ratio. This is giving you 1:4, 1:3.9, and 1:3, let's consider. So this trade has broken the previous support and giving a really good target on the downside with a small stop loss. Okay, so in this trade, you always have a potential probability to enter. Second most important thing, trail your stop losses. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you want any analysis on any of the stocks, post it in the comment section, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can inbox us on the email ID mentioned or in the comment section. We would be happy to reply you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.